Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lonis, and if you're new here, this is Smart Extension Services. In Smart Extension Services, we normally share best farming tips. Today, we are going to talk about essential beekeeping tools. And if you are thinking about starting beekeeping, having the right tools is essential. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your setup, today I'm going to show you the must-have tools that will make your beekeeping journey smoother and safe. First, let's talk about protective gear. Under protective gear, we have the bee suit or jacket, gloves, boots, and veil. Why you need a bee suit? A bee suit, it protects you from stings and make working with bees much safer and more comfortable. There are different type of bee suit, and in this video, we'll be talking about a a full bee suit, and more so the cotton one. Cotton are very durable, but it can get hotter, while if compare it with synthetic suits, which are lightweight and also more breathable. In a bee suit, we have a veil, which is a very essential protective component designed to shield the beekeeper's face and neck from bee stings while allowing visibility and airflow. There are different types of bee veils, one being round, fencing veil, and square veil. Tip to note, ensure the veil is securely attached to the suit, usually with zippers. Keep the mesh away from face to prevent sting through fabric. Always check the openings where bees might crawl in. Tuck veil securely into the suit. Let's talk about the gumboots. Gumboots are essential part of a beekeeper's protective gear. They help to ensure safety and comfort while working in the apiary. So the benefits of gumboots is to provide protection from bee stings, prevent bee entry, and also provide safety from rough terrain. Also, the gumboots are well known for prevention of disease spread, and also the waterproof and durability keep the feet dry when working in wet and damp conditions. Another essential part of beekeepers' protective gear are the gloves. Gloves provide safety and confidence while handling bees. So there are several benefits of wearing gloves in beekeeping. One of them is protective from bee stings. So the gloves prevent stings on hands and fingers, which are the most exposed during hive inspection or uh, during honey harvesting. So it helps beginners to gain confidence while handling bees. Another importance is it provides better grip and control. So the glove reduces the risk of dropping hive, frame, or tool due to fear of stings. And also this prevent accidental crushing of bees, which is triggered by aggression. Another important point is hygiene and disease prevention. Gloves prevent direct hand contact with the honey, propolis, and hive surface, reducing contamination risk. And gloves can be easily cleaned or replaced to maintain hygiene. The last point of gloves benefit is protection from harsh condition. So the gloves shield hands from rough wooden frame, sharp tools, or hot or cold weather. Another essential equipment is a bee smoker. A bee smoker is one of the most important tools for a beekeeper used to calm bees and make hive inspection safer and easier. How a bee smoker works. The smoker produces a cool smoke which affects the bee in two ways. Disrupt alarm pheromones, it's whereby when bees are being disturbed, they release an alarm pheromone to alert colony. Smoke masks this scent, reducing aggression, and also it trigger feeding response. Bees sense smoke as a sign of fire and start consuming honey in preparation for evacuation. This make them calmer and less likely to sting. So the benefit of using a smoker is to calm bees, minimize stinging, easy hive manipulation, and protect the queen. How to use a bee smoker effectively. Light the smoker properly. Use dry material like pine needles, sawdust, wood shaving, or paper. Ensure smoke is cool and white, not hot or black, to avoid harming the bees. Puff smoke gently at the hive entrance, 2 to 3 puff before opening, and at the hive lid, a few puff after opening to keep bees calm. On aggressive bees, if they get agitated, apply light smoke. Use smoke sparingly. Too much smoke may cause bees to panic and abscond. If bees become more aggressive, let the smoke settle before continuing. Properly extinguish the smoker. After use, block the nozzle and let the fuel burn out, or dump the content in a safer area. These are the common mistakes to avoid: using too much smoke, use hot smoke, or not refilling the fuel. A weak smoker will stop working mid inspection.